Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming with the Purpose. So today I'll be exploring the VisionOS simulator in Xcode 15 beta with two of my previously created apps in UIKit and SwiftUI. One is based on Mapkit, which shows a route between 2 points, destination and source, and another is basically a HealthKit app that is going to display workouts on one tab and charts on the other tab. So I'm going to explore both of these apps. Let's get started. So here you can see that I am playing the Mapkit app, and once I've launched it in VisionOS simulator and after I have entered two of the locations inside the source and destination search bar, it is displaying a route between 2 points. And you can explore it using the pointer on the screen and see the complete route between these 2 points. Here I am showing you how you can change the surroundings of your simulator. So here are different surroundings depending upon your nighttime and daytime. You have kitchen, you have museum, and you have your living room settings, which you can use to basically get an idea that how your app will look like in different situations using Apple Vision Pro. So moving on to the next app, that is basically my HealthKit app. As you can see that once I give it the permissions, it is going to display me nothing here because I haven't added any workouts inside the VisionOS simulator, which I have added when I was testing it with iPhone 14 Pro simulator. So basically nothing is shown here, and when I have checked the apps inside the VisionOS simulator, it has no support for HealthKit inside the simulator for now. Hopefully Apple is going to add that to the VisionOS as well, so that we will be able to explore health related apps on VisionOS as well. So this is all, and I'm going to explore some of my previous applications on VisionOS simulator in future also, and I'm going to show all the tutorials here as well, so stay tuned. So if you have any queries related to VisionOS simulator, you can post in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.